I mean, let me introduce some of our Grey Stories, key players and who have been kind and generous enough to give their time and creative talent and passion in our project. So we'll start with our star cast. We have Kiku Sharda here. Obviously, Kiku doesn't need an introduction. Everybody knows him. Hi, Kiku.
Hi.
We have Kiku has played a very cute romantic role in our Desire story, which you will see. So again, Grey Stories is an anthology stories series which has 4 stories. They're woven together with narration. They're on bold subjects, conveying the message that how good people can show grey shades too in odd life circumstances. So in Desires, wherein Kiku Sharda is playing a protagonist role, there is Sameeksha, there is Javed Pathan, there is Aditi Govitrikar in it, who are playing the key roles, primary roles, and that's directed by Kaid Kujweriwala, our director, who's here. Hi, Kaid. We have then we have from our star cast Javed Pathan, who has again played in the Desires story. Javed has been part of the Bollywood as well, has been part of the TV industry as well. Hi, Javed. I guess his video is a little bit frozen. Then we have here.
I don't know.
It's better now. Now we can hear you fine. Thank you. So we have then Old Secrets. I mean, I'll give a quick introduction, guys, and then of course it's up to the press to ask whatever they want to ask. We have Gaurav Gera here. Gaurav Gera is known for his, I'm sure, a lot of talents, and one of it is primarily comedy, right, Gaurav?
Hello. Thank you. Hi.
Okay. Hi. So Gaurav has played again a very interesting role. Our casting has been a little bit different, and I'll give that casting credit to my creative mentor Vibhu Kashyap. Who has been guiding me throughout the project with the casting and a lot of other, screenplay, etc. In a lot of ways. Yes. Aditi, please, do you want to say something? Aapne kuch bola nahi, Aditi?
Well, firstly, it was a great experience working with you. It did not feel like you are the first time producer. It was very well coordinated. I know there were a lot of technical glitches, but it never showed on the set or when we were working. It was really smooth, and with Kaid directing, it was really awesome. It was a great experience for me. I was very well looked after, and the role was amazing. So I definitely hope that Grey Stories is something that everybody enjoys, because as you put it earlier, it's never about black and white. No human being is black and white. As much as everybody wants to believe, that's not true. Everybody has shades of gray. And I'm wishing everybody all the very best. And I'm looking forward to seeing Grey Stories out there.
आप मानेंगे नहीं, कुछ तो डायलॉग्स में वो था भी नहीं, किकू एकदम से अपने आप ही वो लाइन ऐड कर देते थे, and we were like shoot चल रहा है, and he would add that punch to it.
That was a pleasure.
Thank you, man.
Whatever the improvisation was like spontaneous, impromptu, and that was fun. Yeah. It got some life to the scene, more life for sure.
And
yes.
it suited your role as well, because it was not a negative role or gray role. It was a romantic role. तो किसने बोला है कि I mean मतलब again you look amazing, Kiku. My point, our purpose was कि किसने बोला है कि you have to be X size to be able to love. You getting me?
सही बात है.
So I mean, again, मेरा weight put on हो गया, तो क्या मुझे love करने का हक नहीं है?
Real life में भी I'm born on 14th of Feb, so I'm a lover boy. So yeah, I mean. So my journey was first of all, it was a lot of fun. Yeah, it was quite a. मतलब हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा वक्त भी नहीं था शूट करने के लिए, क्योंकि मैं भी आया था with limited time and everything was like. लेकिन I had such a great time. कि सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है that Gunjan, you and everyone here, Vidhi, Ambika, I mean, y'all are all Rohini, such a hard-working team, and कोई चीज अगर कम हो रही है तो उसको किस तरह आप लोग मैनेज कर रहे थे, वो देखकर बड़ा मजा आ रहा था. तो I know कि हमारी कुछ चीजें हैं जो हम कभी लेट नाइट हो रहा है, कभी ये हो रहा है, कभी हमारा वक्त पे काम नहीं हो रहा है. सबसे पहले दिन तो मेरे ख्याल से कुछ बारिश हो गई थी, जिसकी वजह से हमें कैंसिल करना पड़ा, फिर हम दौड़ के कहीं और गए, कुछ और शूट किया. लेकिन विद हैविंग सेड ऑल दैट, मतलब वो सारे गूफ अप्स के साथ भी I really enjoyed the shoot. Yeah, it was a really nice thing because it was like a small little family unit. दौड़ के सारा unit यहाँ जा रहा है, नहीं सारा परिवार यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहा है और अपने काम पे लगा हुआ है. So I really enjoyed myself. Apart from that, obviously, I am known to do comic work all the time. के hardcore comedy is something that I've been doing for so many years. So here I was playing like the story was a little alag for me. It was different from the kind of work that I've been doing. So that is what was interesting for me. That to do matlab, it was a light-hearted light-hearted thing, slice of life thing. आप जो भी कहें उसे, तो वो करने में मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मेरे लिए बहुत अलग था. So yeah, that's that. दो तीन चीज है कि एक तो we connected I think on Facebook or something. I think Gunjan approached me, हमारी बात हुई और फिर and then it was like it's a short story. Obviously, it's a part of the larger the 4 different stories that she was doing. It was one story और उसके लिए and see what which I've always been telling people also, जो मैं आज भी कहता हूँ कि जो काम मैं करता आ रहा हूँ इतने सालों से वो तो मैं कर ही रहा हूँ. उसके साथ साथ this different side of me where I want to do other stuff and experiment or try to do stuff which is non-comic, hardcore comic ना हो, ऐसा मैं करना चाहता हूँ साथ साथ में जितना भी मैं कर पाऊँ. So when this thing happened and they approached me, I was quite excited that let's go and do this. It's an interesting story, and plus it's obviously it's a story about how which I always also like to put forward when I play my characters on TV. जो पलक और बम्पर और द गर्ल कैरेक्टर्स और बच्चा यादव और व्हाटएवर जो कपिल शर्मा शो में भी मैं करता रहता हूँ. कई बार मुझे वो भी आता है कि आई लाइक द आइडिया कि अपनी फिजिकलिटी या फिर कोई कैरेक्टर अगर मोटा है, शरीर से बड़ा है, तो दैट शुड नॉट बी द नोबडी शुड जज और nobody should be the confidence level of people now also goes up and down depending on आप फिजिकली कैसे दिखते हैं. वो मुझे बड़ा गलत लगता है कि आपके आपका इंटरनल कॉन्फिडेंस इस चीज से क्यों जुड़ा हुआ है कि आप ज्यादा फिट हैं तो तो वो चीज मुझे हमेशा खटकती थी. एंड दिस स्टोरी वाज समथिंग अबाउट दैट वेयर द हस्बैंड इज fat and the wife is like looking for something else, but at the end of it all what matters is a good companion, what matters is love, what matters is compatibility. तो इन चीजों से वो रिश्ता वापस जुड़ता है. तो ये कहानी का जो ब्रॉड लाइन है वो बड़ी अच्छी है, कहानी बड़ी अच्छी है. तो मेरे ख्याल से दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई आई हैड अ डिजायर टू डू दिस एंड दैट्स हाउ डिजायर्स हैपेंड.
सी गुंजन के बारे में एक्चुअली कीकू इज अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड. सो हमने पहले ही बात की थी, तो कीकू ने मुझे बताया था ही शॉट समथिंग इन द यूएस. सो आई न्यू देयर वाज समथिंग व्हिच वाज गोइंग ऑन. बट जब गुंजन का फोन आया तो आई वाजंट श्योर इफ इट्स द सेम पर्सन कॉलिंग, सेम टीम. But I'm so glad because Kiku ne to mujhe bade happy to be there. And plus, like you said, on the script, I didn't have to do too much or I didn't have to say too much because the script in itself was pretty complete and we had very capable leaders. हमारे जो boss मतलब जो Vibhu hai, he's a very capable man and he directed it bang on and there were the right people sitting on top, Gunjan and Vibhu. So I didn't have to do too much. Yes, like Kiku said, flow of the dialogues because actor has to mouth them and make them their own. तो उसमें हल्का सा change होता है, but otherwise it was pretty like how it is supposed to be.
I love traveling, so I will never say that shoot it in Mumbai. The further away, the better it is for me as a personal listing. But I did have a conversation with Gunjan in terms of production cost and everything. And according to her, what she said was it pretty much comes to the same thing because, she used everybody else besides the actors from the States. So net, I think it came to the same thing. And we were fortunate that we went it was around this time. It was 5th of October when I was in New England. And she was one story that I would like to share over here is that my convocation for my Harvard degree was on the 5th of October, which coincided. And I did not know New England was so close to Boston, or Boston is part of New England. I'm not even sure now. And I requested her and no questions asked. She said, Aditi, don't worry. I'm going to send you in a car you go do your convocation, don't worry about the shoot, we'll manage. So I will never ever forget that. I mean, that shows the kind of human being she is. So she is that kind of person, even on sets, as a professional, as well as in her personal life. I think, so what has happened is now, as women are progressing and they are getting empowered, be it education, finance, or just belief in themselves, things have changed, and therefore the expression of a woman as to how she thinks and how she expresses herself has changed as well. So it does not mean that 50 years back women did not have desires, or they did not do what probably is being done even today, but just the way it is presented now has changed, and society has opened up to accepting the fact that women can have desires too. There can be gray shades to women too. And that does not mean that a woman is, whatever it was called, the names that a woman was then given if somebody spoke up. So that, I think, is a very crucial point that came across when I read and I saw the other stories that Gunjan has showcased.